Hi everyone, I'm Paul Streufert, the Executive Director of the Honors Program here at UT Tyler, and I wanted today to tell you a little bit about our Honors Research Project. So what is an Honors Research Project? To graduate from the Honors Program, all of our Honors students must complete this research project, which they conduct in the last year of their time here at UT Tyler. The research project requires honors students to do additional research or additional work in their major with the hope that this work will cause students to understand the material more thoroughly and more deeply, and will also prepare them for their next step, perhaps as they graduate and head out for their careers or as they look towards professional school or graduate school. The project can manifest in any number of ways depending on the discipline and the student and the faculty interests. Students can expand on an idea that they explored in one of their courses. They can work in a faculty lab as a member of a team, or we might even say that a student can undertake a creative endeavor. In fact, the very first honors project that was ever done was a screenplay written by a student. The particulars of the project should be designed by the student in consultation with you, the faculty member. We encourage both honors students and faculty to design a project that can be mutually interesting and beneficial. To ensure fairness across all the disciplines, ideally, honors students should spend a minimum of at least 20 hours on the research project per semester. We want the work to be enough to engage the student in a significant way, but not so much that it is difficult to complete while carrying a full-time academic load. Remember, please, that the students are not getting academic credit for this. They are doing something for the honors program requirements, but it's not a 3-credit class or anything like that. You may be thinking, if I agree to help a student with an honors research project, what will I need to do? I'd like to begin answering that question by showing you what we actually ask of the students. The honors program expects the honors student to be the principal driver in this endeavor. Students are responsible for designing and completing the project, as well as communicating with you about any issues that they run into along the way. Students will certainly need your guidance, but the primary responsibility lies with them. For faculty mentors, we ask that you be available to talk with your honors student at least 4 times outside of class during the course of the semester. At the end of the student's last semester of work on the project, we will ask you to fill out a final evaluation of the honors student's performance. We simply want to know if the work was completed, how well the honors students communicated with you, and whether the work was of high quality. We'll send you an email reminder for this too, so you don't have to worry about remembering. Lastly, I want to say a word about the deliverables that the honors program requires of students who graduate from our program. All students must either present their research project at a conference as a poster or in an oral presentation, or publish their work. For the first option, presentation at a conference, students may present at a local, regional, or national conference. There are several honors conferences that we attend each year with students, but we also encourage students to talk to their faculty mentors to see if perhaps there's a conference opportunity within their disciplines. For students wishing to publish their senior research project, we encourage them to talk to their mentors to find an appropriate undergraduate research journal. Students may also satisfy this requirement along with a faculty member or a research team as a second author, or in some cases even as a third author. If you would like more information on the Honors Research Project, please visit our website where you'll find our mentor contract document, as well as a student handbook that has some more details about all the steps along the way in the process. Lastly, of course, please feel free to contact either myself, that's Paul Streufert, the Honors Director, or Katie Stone, the Honors Coordinator, if you have any questions along the way in the process, either at the beginning or in the middle or even at the end as the project is being concluded. Many thanks in advance, and please let us know if you have any questions.